As part of your squat warm-up, we want to focus on ankles for a moment and give you a couple of options as to warming up that ankle different than you probably are used to. We're not going to go through and try to just get more flexion, dorsal flexion, plantar flexion back and forth. We know that's important. We know that you need it when you're squatting. But if you're limited and it's not helping you by doing that anymore, let's give you a little different approach. We're going to use a band, some form of a little band, but we're going to wrap around the foot. Sorry, this part's less than exciting, but let's get this on real quick. So I'm going to wrap it a few times to where I can have some tension in that band. Deep down, I could probably wrap it one more time, it would be just fine. Here's what I'm doing with it when we're here. Instead of working on going point the toes, bring the toes towards my face, I'm going to start working off of different directions. So I'm going to hold the band in each hand. I'm going to give more tension on one side. That side that I give more tension on, I'm going to take my foot away from it by going into what would be called supination of the foot itself. Okay, working those directions in a few reps. You should feel the muscles of like the lower leg, lower closer to the ankle, activate or turn on more or be strained by some, okay? Opposite direction, I'm going to put more tension on the other hand and take that foot into more of like a pronation. Again, get reps in, get reps in. You're going to find that there's a certain amount of range that you can get on your own, but the resistance band will just ask the muscles to so-called, activate more. From there, this has to be up a little bit higher, more closer to like the ball of the foot. Instead of going for that pronation, we're going to start working off of internals and external rotations. If it helps, put that band around your foot and work on just taking the lower ankle foot out to the side. If everything's being driven from the hip, try to lock that into place and work just ankle external rotation. And then as you switch to internal, it's not that hard, just put your hand out to the side and work internal rotation with the foot going in. Again, you should feel this in different parts of your foot or your leg that you're not used to. Again, from here, do both sides, go through a couple of sets of these, and start adding that into your squat warm-up for your ankles. Thank you for watching.